Lawyers, today is my top mistakes for using comedy. This video contains usable tips and an invite to a free Facebook ad strategy mini course just for lawyers. Can you have fun with lawyer marketing without offending and still bring in a boatload of new clients? Hi, my name's Mary Cary, here again as your legal marketing specialist, helping law firms grow and streamline their practices since 2008. Today's tip is how to use humor and how not to use humor to get clients with Facebook video ads for lawyers. And I'm showing you an example, so be sure to watch the full video. You're probably starting to see those lawyer ads popping up in your Facebook or Instagram feed. You're also probably noticing that, like on TV, these lawyer ads are all looking the same. Same messaging, same look, same music, same everything. I work with lawyers who crave new and creative ways to approach video advertising. So we've tried everything. Some things work and some things not so much. Because we are also the marketing agency and the video production team, I do know what works. My data shows that on TV and Facebook, getting more creative actually does work. So we've been trying out comedy. A message from attorney Mike Sullivan.
No worries, I got this.
I don't think music's your thing, man.
This guitar's broken. I know I can draw.
Mike, please. This is a little more your style.
Legal experience matters. Just like an instrument, it can take years to learn a new skill. Call me for your disability case. I promise, no music.
888-587-0228.
Oh yeah.
Call now. This video is signing new cases every single day right now, so why not learn from our mistakes? Here are the top mistakes when using comedy in lawyer ads. 1. Do not make fun of the practice of law. It might be funny to you, and it might even be funny to your existing client base, but to your potential clients, they won't really know what you're talking about. 2. Do not make fun of clients' issues. Our failed approach was making fun of those who did not become a client. It's not funny, no matter how you spin it. That was a big waste of time. 3. Try making fun of yourself. There's lots of ways that work. They'll come to you knowing you better and knowing that your firm has a heart. There are 3 ways to work with us. 1, we do all this for you if we don't already work with your competition. 2, online coaching for your specific project. Or 3, detailed online courses. And for a little while, I'm offering my Facebook Law Firm Practice Area Strategy mini course for free. Why? Because right now, Facebook is the least expensive, most successful, and exciting way to bring in a steady flow of new clients for lawyers. But getting results can be frustrating and difficult if you don't understand how to market your specific practice area. I've built thousands of successful campaigns with my team at GoMedia Marketing Productions, and I have surprising answers about what doesn't work. So find out today how to build your practice area game plan by going to marycaryu.com, where you'll find my online courses specifically for lawyers, and there you will see the strategy mini course. So jump in while it's still for free and download the videos. You have nothing to lose. I can't wait to see you in the next video.